Explanation of symbols on worksheets are as follows. Use coloring crayons to color the picture. Use your finger to follow the track or line or show the correct picture. Use a coloring crayon to draw a line or write a number or sound. Look at the picture and say the number or sound out loud. Use a scissors to cut on the dotted line. Look at the picture. Use these symbols for the lesson of the day, which will be allocated at the top right side of each page. For example, Lesson 1, Prepositions and Directions.
Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Janice Abrams and welcome, my friend. The theme that we are still busy with is houses. But before we continue with our lesson, let's first practice our social distancing and sanitizing of hands. Between the fingers. Good. Lesson 2. Sight words, the letter H, mass and addition. Okay, boys and girls, let's go to the next page. Page 9. Are you all there? Good. We will concentrate on sight words. So, we have 6 different sight words. We have to, the, of, my, is, are. Now, these different sight words are here on page 9. There are a lot of these sight words placed on page 9. So let's see, what do we have to do on page 9? Choose a color for each sight word. Find and color each one. Then count and write how many you found. Circle the word you found the most. So let's start off with our coloring. It says, choose a color so you can make use of different colors. Remember, we have 6 sight words. So you can make use of blue, brown, yellow, pink, orange. You can use any colors that you want to use, but make sure that you have 6 different colors. Now, what must we do? We have to color in these blocks. Let's look at the first one. What word is this? To. So, I'm going to use the color blue. So where do I see all the words to? Where do we see it? Okay, I see one here. I'm going to color it in blue. Now I'm going to look. Where's the next one to? Danelle, do you want to come out, teacher? Good, come. Okay, Danelle, where else do you see the word to in this block? Color it in for me, please. Very good. Where else do you see the word to? Where else? Okay. Where else do you see the word to, Danelle? Let's look. Good. Okay, so remember now the word to, we have used the color blue. Let's look at the next word, the. So now we have to look, where is all the word the in this block here? And we will use the color pink. Danelle, look where is the. Then you color it in for me pink, please. Good. Where else do you see the? Good. Now, after she has seen all the this and she color it in pink, we will continue to the next one of. Thank you, Danelle. You can have a seat. So, like I said, we have used the color blue. By the, we have used the color pink. Of, you can use any color that you want to. It does not matter. If it's yellow, brown, purple, you can use any color. But you have to search for the words here on this page. Good. When we are done with this, we continue with what is standing underneath. How many of each word did you find? How many of each words did you find? So let's look at the word to. How many twos do we have here on top? We have 5. So now we will write the number 5 in this block next to the word to. Let's go to the next one, the. How many the did we see here on top? We have seen 9. So then I write the 9 in the block next to the word the. The last thing that you must do is, it also says, circle the word that is the most on this page. So you have to go think now and count for yourself. 2 is, we said it is 5. The, we said it is 9. Of, how much is of? We have to go count here. How much is of? It is 5. My. We have to count the my here. How much is my? It is 8. Is. How much is? You have to go count. Are. How much is the are here? You have to count. Now, after finding all these numbers, we have to circle the one that is the most. So what must we do? We go take another different color that we did not use here. Then we make a circle. So which one is the most? Is it 2? Is it the? Good. So it will be the. So now we go see where is the. And we just make a circle around all the this. Good. Let's continue with the next page. Page 10. Are you all at page 10? Now we concentrate on the letter H. Can you think of a few words starting with H? Let's think. What starts with H? Hat. Does it start with H? Yes. House. Does it start with H? Yes, very good. Now let's see what we have to do on page 10. Trace the dotted lines on the letter H. Then write your own H next to it again. So boys and girls, can you see that there is a solid H? Next to the solid H, there's a dotted H. So what must you do? You must go trace on the dotted H. Next to the dotted H, you will now write on your own. There's no dots to direct you. You have to write it on your own. And as you can see, we are busy with the capital H. So you have to go right next to the dotted H, you write your own H. We move to the small letter H. There you will have a solid H again and a dotted H. So you have to go trace on the dotted line the H. And next to it, you practice the H on your own. So that is what you must do there. Now, you see a picture there. What is that picture? Can you tell me, Danelle, what is that picture? It is a hat. It is a hat. Write the letter H in the space below. You will see there's the picture of the H, of the hat, and then you will see the word is not completed under the picture. There's a line, then you will get the A, and you will get the T. So what must you fill in next to the A on the line? You must fill in the letter H. Let's go to the next block there. Circle all the letter H's in the word below. Let's look at that words there. Hot. Will we circle the word, or does the word hot start with H? Yes. So now you must circle only the H. You don't circle the whole word. You just circle the H, the small letter H. The next word under is he. Does he start with the H? Yes. So we circle only the H. The next word is year. The next one is her. Under her is the word with. Does the word with start with a H? Under with is how. Remember what I said? You must only circle the letter H. Let's go to the next part under. All these objects have the letter H in their name. Circle the H in the name. Then color in the object. The object is the picture that you must color in. So you will see there's the capital H and there's the small letter H. You must color them in. Next to the letter H, there's a picture of a house. Color the picture in of the house. and circle only the H sound. Next to the house is a picture of a hill. Color in the picture and circle the word or the letter H. Under the hill is a hippo. Color the hippo in and circle the letter H. Good, boys and girls, we are done with the H. Let's continue on the next page, page 11. Go to page 11. Now you must listen carefully. Which weighs more? What does that mean? We have to see which one is heavy and which one is light. So let's look at that pictures there. Circle the object that is heavy. You do not circle the one that is light. You circle the one that is heavy. Good. We have a picture of a glue. Then we have a picture of a chalk. Danelle, would you say that the glue is heavy or would you say the chalk is heavy? Which one is heavy? The glue. So now you have to circle, make a circle around the picture of the glue. Make a circle around the picture of the glue. We go to the next pictures. The next picture is a crayon and a rubber. Danelle, would you say that the crayon is heavy or is the rubber heavy? Which one is heavy? The rubber. So now you have to make a circle around the rubber because the rubber is much more heavier than the crayon. So now you have to do the rest on your own. See if you can do that by yourself. Good. Let's go to page 12. We are still busy with heavy and light. On that page, you will see that there is different kinds of animals. Do you see that? Yes. And how many pictures are there? There are 8 pictures. And each picture has a different animal. Can you see there? Good. Now let's look at the first block. What animals are there in the first block? It is a rabbit and it is a bear. Good. So which one is heavy? We have to color in. We have to color in the bear because the bear is heavier than the rabbit. Good. Let's look at the next picture next to that one. We see it's a dinosaur and a snake. So which one is heavy? Is the dinosaur or the snake heavy? The dinosaur. So we have to color in the dinosaur. Oh, you are so clever. Good. So now you have to do the rest. Remember, you must color in the one that is heavy. I thank you very much. Let's go to page 13. And that is addition sums. What is addition sums? It is plus sums. Count, add, and write the correct answer in the box. So let's go to the board for a few examples. I'm going to make use of the pictures hearts. Can you see my hearts? Okay. I have one heart plus another heart. How much or what will my answer be? How many hearts do I have here? 2. So it means I will have 2 hearts. And I'm just going to write the number next to it here. I'm going to make another example. Let's make use of sticks. How many sticks do I have here? 3 sticks. Plus, how many sticks are on that side? 2. So now, let's see. How many sticks do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So, what will my answer be? I will have 5 sticks. So, let's go back to our page 13. You will see on that page, they gave an example for you of apples, where you see there's 3 apples plus 1 apple, and the answer is 4. The next fruit that you have to do on your own is strawberries, oranges, watermelon, bananas, and pears. So you have to do that sums on your own. Good. Let's turn over to the next page, page 14. And it is the same. We have to plus the different insects. Let's go back to the board. I'm going to make another example quickly for you. I'm going to make, let's say, circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 circles here plus 1 circle. How many circles do I have now? Danelle, let's count our circles. 1, 4, 5. So how many circles do we have here? 5 circles. So if we go back to our page 14, we will see that we have to do the same. We have to plus, and then we have to fill in the answer on the line. Thank you. We come to the end of our lesson, but before we call our friend Zoshi, remember social distancing, sanitizing of hands, between the fingers. Good. Let's call on our friend Zoshi. Bye.
Hi everyone. You can't hug your friends anymore, but you can still give yourself some love, or you can practice how to blow hugs. Mwah, 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 mwah. And until next time,